All right, so finally came in. So what we're gonna be doing today is putting on HaloDisc on 19-inch Gemini wheels for my 24 Tesla Model Y. I mean, as you can see, I plasti dipped my wheels, right? So when I first plasti dipped them, this is probably about 2 years ago. One thing what's bad about plasti dip is that since it's kind of like, it's a very porous material. So when dirt gets on there, it's very, very hard to get out. So even when you clean it and it dries, it does not look good. It doesn't look sleek whatsoever. I got tired of it looking dirty, and now it's starting to chip. And as you can see, I'm going half and half. So we're gonna go and get that changed today. The process isn't too complicated. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Follow along with me, and let's go and get this started. I don't really got a box cutter with me, but I do have my set of keys. So let's go ahead and cut right down there. I mean, all right, so here we are. Let me go and show you guys the box a little bit. I mean, I don't know if that's something y'all care about, but I mean, I'm gonna also show you from here. It's really cool. Very nice. Very, very nice. Damn. And this tool looks pretty high quality. It's like an aluminum, kind of like little ratchet thing. That's dope. Now, when you first open up the box, I mean, you can see they kind of give you a decent amount of, I don't know, items. So I have no clue what this is gonna be. Oh, and this is pretty, oh, that's pretty dope. Look at that. I mean, there's a decent amount of design and attentiveness towards the packaging. I mean, it feels pretty premium. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. So, you guys, but this video is not sponsored at all. I have a little channel, and I barely gotten it started recently. So, what is this foam? I'm assuming probably to protect the rim itself, and some other accessories. I mean, I have no clue what this stuff's gonna be. I'm gonna have to read the directions, because I definitely want to make sure I put these on right, and make you a cool little pair of gloves. I mean, that's pretty dope. I appreciate that. Anyways, I'm assuming these are the center lock caps that lock into place. Pretty sweet. All right, so first things first. I mean, boom. I mean, here we go. Looks pretty cool. These little tags. Returns not eligible if the hang tag is removed. Okay. Looks like there's already some like rubber foam around the edges here. Now, I don't know if there's some of you guys who already popped off hubcaps before, but it's a really simple process, honestly. I mean, you kind of just got to take both hands. You're gonna fill 2 little tabs, and you just got to pull out like that, almost. On the views that kind of like that. So when you go in, peel them apart, and then you'll start to see the edge kind of lift. That's how you know you're doing it right. It's gonna keep just pulling around, and you'll start to see it kind of lift. And you're gonna do that all around the whole wheel, of course. And just like that, it'll start to pop out. So in the manual, it does say you need to clean the edge of the rim. I already did that kind of here. I mean, I kind of left this dirty, just clean up the edge of the rim. Now, according to the manual, there are different sides for each insert. So red is gonna be on the left side, blue is gonna be on the right. All right, so I guess I just gotta put this inside the hole. I gotta press this button, and it locks into place like that. So now it's not coming out unless I press in on it. So then at that point, you just gotta take this little tool, and then it looks like for the left side wheels, you just gotta twist it to the right. So then after that, it says I actually have to tighten it even more. So I just got to go down like this. Now, I don't know how tight that's supposed to be, but it feels pretty tight to me. It looks like you just take this little red piece and just put it in here. Really no way in particular. This is just like that. I think I did it right. Oh, there we go. And you kind of just tighten it up a little bit like that. So keep in mind though, on your guys' user manual, to follow the directions that it tells you to go in, because again, each side is different. Left is clockwise, right side's counterclockwise. So keep that in mind. Pay attention to the directions. So on this part, guys, please keep in mind that there is these little bolts that you do need to screw into place. Just gotta put it into there. And you first just gotta keep tightening it. There is a recommendation to tighten it to about 4 to 5 newton meters of torque. I don't have anything that could tell me, so I'm kind of just screwing until I feel comfortable. I wouldn't advise doing that, but if you guys have the tools, more power to you. To add the center cap. And it looks like they just kind of twist it and lock it into place. just like that. Boom, it's done. Right now there is one thing that I am thrown off, and that is my wheels, because with my wheels, when I got them replaced, they are not necessarily, I didn't get them from Tesla. It's the same Pro Continental RXs, I think, but they don't have the side wall, like a flush side wall. So there's a bit of like a gap between here. For those of you guys who do have the original tires from Tesla, it'll look flatter, look a lot more smooth than this. But I mean, for what it is, I mean, it's pretty cool. All right, everybody, so it has been a full day with the HaloDiscs. Now, I traveled probably 12, 15 miles or so. I can't remember. All I did really is just go to work, drop my wife off at work. I went to work, went back home, and so far I had no issues in terms of a ride difference. I don't think they say that there is a difference in ride quality or anything like that. I don't expect that. These are just simply hubcaps. But I had no issues, no vibrations, nothing as of yet. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated over time if I do feel any difference, vibrations, rattles, anything like that. But so far I went 75, 80, 85 miles an hour, and it's been good so far. So for those of you who do live in an area where there's a lot of loose dirt, please keep in mind that these will attract a lot of dust. Now, I don't know if it's because these are brand new, they're out of the box, there's a static, I'm not entirely sure. I'm gonna wipe them down. All right, so you see all that dirt, they look like, it looks like scratches, right? Let me show you guys. All you gotta do is take any microfiber rag, you don't even gotta wet it. Everything goes away. You're rolling again, you're chilling. Just like that.